it's Lacie Groeninger with Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty, and welcome to Gray Horse Farm. Y'all come on in and take a look around. So welcome to the main house here on the farm. You'll notice immediately that we have an open concept floor plan here. Over here to my left, you'll find two spacious bedrooms along with a large bathroom with a dual vanity sink. And then follow me on into the main living area. Here, the owner has put a large farm table here. There's just plenty of room to entertain. If you have a huge family or tons of friends that you want to come and entertain here at the farm, there's room for everybody. Why don't y'all follow me into the kitchen? So I'm sure you've already noticed, but there's beautiful V-groove pine ceilings throughout, cedar wrapped beams and columns that just add that farmhouse touch, and the site finished hardwood floors throughout the main level are just stunning. I love this light color that the seller decided to put in. So we have beautiful honed granite countertops, farm sink with a window so you can watch all the sunrises that come right over the front of the farm, open shelving here to display all of your heirloom dishes, and right this way is another living space that has gorgeous views of one of the ponds here on the property. So you can watch the sunrise from your front porch, but guess what? Right off your back porch, over this gorgeous pond, you get to watch the sunset every evening. Why don't y'all follow me this way? We can check out the master, laundry, and an office space that could also be utilized as a fourth bedroom. Come on. Through this hallway, you'll notice this adorable bedroom that's been set up as a nursery. It could also work for an office space if you need one. Hopefully you don't have to do too much work when you live here on the farm. And right across the hall is a spacious laundry room, and this way is the master. So here we are in the spacious master with windows out to the beautiful property. You can see your barn, one of the ponds. Speaking of the barn, let's go check it out and see if the hens have laid us any eggs for the day. All right, well, I go put these eggs in the main house. Why don't y'all head on over and check out the pool house? I'll be right there. So in the pool house, you'll find one full bedroom, a huge open living space with a full kitchen, secondary laundry room, and a full bath, overlooking the pool. Thank you so much for joining me today on this tour of Gray Horse Farm. I would love to tell you more about it if you'll contact me or visit my website, lifesgoodonlakeoconee.com. Here at Gray Horse Farm, you truly have it all.